Alright. Some of you may realize pretty quick right off the bat that we're on a different bike. Today, I might need to change the brake fluid. This thing. We're on the R1 today. Gonna take it out for a little while, because I haven't had it out in a while, and I just changed the oil in it. So looks like it may rain, so it probably won't be out very long. This is probably the worst time to come out too, because the road gets really busy, and I'm not used to this thing anymore because its clutch and how it feels is completely different than the Challenger. This clutch is also a lot heavier. It's so small. Woo. Way different power delivery too. I haven't ridden this thing in probably I don't know, like 8 months. It's been a while. It was down for a while because I kept having issues with the stator. Stators kept fouling out and going bad, and it would quit charging the battery whenever I was out riding it. It would always leave me stranded, so I was like, I don't trust it to go anywhere. But I've taken it out, I think once or twice here recently, just like around the block, and it seems to be charging the battery right now, so we'll see how long it lasts. If anything, I guess I just won't turn it off the whole time that I'm on it right now. But yeah, it's been sitting up for a while, so I just put some fresh oil in it, filter. I probably need to change the brake fluid. I haven't changed the brake fluid in probably a couple of years, so it definitely needs brake fluid. But we're gonna zip around on this thing for a little while and just see how she's doing. I already got air in the tires. I aired up the tires last time I rode it. This thing is it feels so weird because I'm so used to the Challenger and it being so big and heavy. I feel like I'm on like a pocket bike. This thing is so light. Oh, I think I just felt a couple raindrops too. Dang it. This thing's got freaking almost track tires on it. It's got the Michelin Power RS's, so they do all right in the rain, but I don't like riding them in the rain because they do get a little slick, and I'm not used to riding this thing anymore. So it's probably a very quick ride. If it does start raining, I don't think it's going to start raining hard or for very long, so I might be able to just go the opposite direction of the rain and be okay. I also don't know how much gas is in this thing because there's no gas gauge, and I know I unplugged the battery not too long ago, so it reset my trip meter, which is how I used to track the gas on it. So we'll see if we have to stop for gas. I don't think we will. It sounded like it had a good bit of gas in it whenever I was moving it around to change the oil. So I forget how tall this thing is geared. This thing is geared like super tall. I'm definitely not used to this seating position. I got so much weight on my wrist and that. It's like my hands already hurt. Golly, I forgot the way this thing builds power. You gotta rev this thing to the moon before it starts building power. It doesn't start building power until like 8,000 or 9,000 RPM. But we got a pretty good drizzle going on, so I might just go ahead and hit this right here and go back to the house. So we're just gonna make a loop. Oh, that was back in the first gear. Probably a terrible idea. There's a cop going after somebody. I don't want none of that business. Golly, I forgot how fast this thing was. different ball game to the Challenger. That was only like not even half throttle doing that. I forgot to count gears, Houston. I don't know what gear I'm in because this thing doesn't have a gear indicator on it. I think I'm at 4th. Probably 4th or 5th, one of those. So it doesn't really matter because this thing's got super tall gears. I could be in 3rd right now and it wouldn't even care. But holy cow. Started getting a little head shake. It started picking up the front end. I'm not used to. I got to start riding this thing more often. But like I said earlier, it's like I didn't feel like I could trust it, so I would never ride it because I was like, it's gonna freaking fail on me, like it always does. But I don't know. We'll see how it does today. I might start taking it out more often if it does all right today. I need to stay out of the traffic area though. I think I'm definitely trying to avoid all the traffic. Oh yeah, I wasn't bored. Holy cow. Yeah, this thing is way different than the Challenger. The Challenger is like, it likes to rev a little bit, but it doesn't like to rev nearly as much as this thing does. This thing is like non-existent until you get it up and into a good amount of RPM. I don't even need to be in 6. I'll just go back to 4. That way I'm at least 6,000 RPM at 70 miles an hour. Keep some RPM up a little bit. I am not used to this thing at all. I used to do some crazy stuff on this thing too, like going up the tail of the Dragon and Blood Mountain and stuff. Like, I used to get this thing leaned way over. Like, I've scraped foot peg on this thing before. I don't ever know how I did that because I don't have the confidence to do that at all. And this freaking Mustang is probably going to end up making me have to go a different direction. So I'm trying to stay out of the traffic. It's gonna be a long video, but I don't know. I'll probably end up editing it. I don't think I'll just let the original play all the way through. I just don't see the point. There it goes first. Oh, there's like no back brake at all. Yeah, I need to change the fluid 100%. Which, right now, I feel like I can because it's riding good. This thing's like a slingshot. That's kind of not like a slingshot as in like the three-wheel vehicle, but like a slingshot, like an actual slingshot. Like you start giving it a little bit of gas, and then like once it winds up, it's just gone. And that was a short shift out of second. Like if I let second wind out, we would have been going really fast. If I remember correctly, I think this thing is geared like, I think it's 1745. So this thing does like 90, I think it's like 94 or 98 in the first gear, and then like 125 in second gear. It's freaking ridiculous. Oh, they're trying to pull that tree down. They should probably get down. That's about the range. Yeah, it does something like freaking ridiculous. I think it is like 125 in second or something like that. It's something crazy. What the hell this dude got going on here? Freaking weird door. Like an actual door on a trailer door. Dun, 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 dun. Interesting. Alright, well, that's all the video I got for today. I'm just going to try to get this thing home and hopefully it doesn't die on me. So, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.